Welcome to Milo's Reviews, where the reviews are score. Today's review is over Capp BBQ French fries. Oh yeah! Alright, we all know the Capp fries. They got the hot fries and the cheddar fries. What's this, corn and potato snacks? Alright, whatever that means. Anyway, we're going for the barbecue fries today. Oh yeah! Alright, this is what they look like. And let's do it. Well, it's pretty simple. They taste like barbecue chips. They just are in the shape of the hot fries. And no, they're not spicy at all. Just have a barbecue potato chip flavor. I really can't say anymore. That description have to keep it short and sweet, because that's the way it tastes. So, yeah. Capp barbecue French fries pretty much says it all in the name. There's like barbecue chips in the shape of fries. Not too bad, not that great. Yeah, they got the different flavors listed on the back. Well, that's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore.